walk from timber to taxis in Cabo San Lucas.
Alright, 9:34 time now. It's supposed to be going ashore at 9:30, so we did pretty good there. Easy walk. I think some of the smaller, pretty large tender there. Some of the smaller here tenders usually post up there. I don't know if you guys can hear that.
They're barking.
So on the pier, we have these nice shady fields. Didn't always used to be like that.
How was the cruise?
Good.
Your mom for you. It's about body lotion.
Thank you.
How much can I give you something for the eyes also?
Okay.
Have a good day. There you go.
Oh, sorry. Do you drink food? I'm sorry? Food.
No food.
No food. I have water. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You guys have a good day. You want to take a picture in front of Cabo?
Can I help you guys? I have a pass by the boat. That's right.
You think?
Yeah.
Alright, we just talked to a guy back there. He said we're going to walk down here all the way to the end, I guess. The taxis are maybe down there. Senior Frogs, Joe? You want to go to Senior Frogs?
Not right now.
Not right now. Maybe later.
You guys want me to look for you?
They have tons of boats here. All those boats will take you out to different places. Probably to the arch. Most of them will want to get. You probably get a lot of people saying, "Well, take you to the arch, to the arch." We have been to the arch at least 5 times, maybe. I don't know. So it's beautiful. It's definitely worth going to. Your first time coming to Cabo. Our trip here, we're going to the hotel, Ryu Palace. So. Second person confirmed. There is a taxi, basically like a taxi booth, I guess. So.
Good morning. Want to join us for the tour to the arch? Get a 45-minute tour. This is the rock formation.
No, thank you.
Sea lions.
This is it over here, yeah? Alright, saw that we walked past the The surfboard's there.